Good morning, everybody. Tracy here from Uniquely Creative, showing you what is in our July Creative Kit Club kit. This is it. It's called Boho Picnic, and it is all beautiful and boho-y. Let me show you what's in the kit first. So, of course, you get the printout here of the cards, and this is the actual size images of the cards. So if you measure from here to here on this card, that is going to be the exact size for you to create the cards the same. So in the kit, you are getting the Boho Picnic Creative Cuts. You are getting some of our rhinestones. You are going to get some of our ribbon. This is one of our mini cut-apart sheets. We have our Boho Picnic 6x6 collection pack and a packet of our 10 cards and envelopes. Let me quickly show you what you can make with the kit. So these are the cards. They are very beautiful, little baby shower one, but of course you can mix this up. It could say happy birthday or engagement or congratulations, whatever you like. Hello beautiful with a fairy. This one just says congratulations. Live your best life, I think it's my favourite. This is a cute little one. All I've done here is I've cut out this middle section and I've turned it on its side to create that little special opening. And that could also say baby shower, anything you like. It's just a really pretty card. And may your day be amazing. So card kits are just $28. Today is your very last day, the 1st of July, to join our subscriber offer of getting your first card making kit at half price. And these kits will be available on our website on the 5th of July to purchase. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time. Bye.